Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open disk management by run command in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to type on your keyboard Windows plus R. Here you have to type for disk mgnt.msc. Then click on OK or enter. So this is how you can open disk management by run command in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.